In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create test purchase in Kajabi. This walkthrough will help you experience your checkout exactly like a customer so you can spot any friction before you launch or promote an offer. First, start by opening a private or incognito browser window, or use a different browser than the one where you're currently logged in. This is important because it prevents your admin session and cached data from affecting the checkout. In other words, you'll see what a real customer sees, not an editor or preview version. Next, in your regular logged-in session, head to your Kajabi dashboard, then go to Sales, then Offers, and select the offer you want to test. This is where each product's pricing, terms, and checkout settings live, so you're in the right place to grab the exact link customers use. On the offer status card, click Get Link. This generates the live checkout link for that specific offer. Avoid using any preview link here. Previews are great for design review, but they won't simulate a true purchase and can hide issues with payments, access, or post-purchase redirects. Now copy that checkout link and paste it into your private or incognito window, or into the alternate browser. You should land on the live checkout page with fields for name, email, and payment, not a preview banner or editor controls. From here, go through checkout exactly as a customer would. Enter a real name and email you can access so you can confirm any order receipts or access emails. If your offer is free, simply claim it and proceed. If it's paid, add valid payment details and submit the order to complete checkout. Keep in mind that this replicates a real purchase, so charges may apply depending on your setup. Once you submit, you should see the confirmation or thank you page you configured, and you should gain access to the product or offer as expected. This is a great time to verify that any automations, welcome emails, and redirects are working properly. Make sure the experience feels smooth, the wording is clear, and the pricing and terms match what you intend. That's it. You've completed a test purchase in Kajabi. Using a private window and the real checkout link is the key to accurate testing. Repeat this process for any other offers you want to validate, and you'll launch with confidence knowing your customers will have a seamless checkout experience.